Today I will share tips on how to fall asleep fast. Are you having difficulty in sleeping every night? Do you wake up in the middle of the night and find it difficult to go back to sleep? Do you wake up feeling tired? If yes, this video is for you. Getting adequate good quality sleep is extremely important. It gives rest to the body and energy for the next day. Adequate sleep is important for hormonal balance, to keep your immune system strong, to prevent weight gain. Sleep is like a natural charger for your body. Adults need minimum 7 to 8 hours of sleep and kids need minimum 10 to 11 hours of sleep. Now, let's have a look at which foods can help you fall asleep faster. Nutmeg or jaifal helps to calm the nerves and induce sleep. Add 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg in a cup of warm water and consume it 30 minutes before bedtime. Poppy seeds or khaskhas is effective in inducing sleep. It has a calming effect and helps in bringing down the stress level. The best way to use it is soak some poppy seeds in water and after 2 hours drain the water. You can make a poppy seed paste along with soaked almonds and add it to any vegetable gravies. Alternatively, you can add soaked poppy seeds on salads, dals or make a chutney along with coconut. Those who are on zero carb diet and have difficulty falling asleep should consider adding carbs to your diet, especially rice. We all know how sleepy rice makes us. So, a dinner consisting of dal, rice and ghee can give you a good night's sleep. Magnesium is an anti-anxiety mineral. It plays an important role in relaxing the body. Magnesium supplements help to improve the sleep time and the sleep quality. Either you can take magnesium supplements or magnesium from foods like dark green leafy vegetables, nuts and seeds. Ashwagandha is a calming herb which can improve quality of sleep and reduce insomnia. It is an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body to cope with stress. Moon milk with ashwagandha powder is a recipe you must try. In a cup of warm milk, a milk could be of your choice. Add half teaspoon of ashwagandha powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg powder. However, please check with your physician before you start ashwagandha, especially if you have any medical issues. Here are some ways to fall asleep fast. Exercise helps you to sleep. Physical activity improves the quality of your sleep and extends its duration. Even if you want to go for a walk, do it, but get your physical activity. If you have digestion issues, you may have trouble sleeping. Make sure you eat your meals 2 to 3 hours before going to sleep. If you eat your meal close to bedtime, your digestion is stimulated and it can make you feel really uncomfortable. If you eat your meals timely and still have digestion issues which comes in the way of your sleep, try this. Put a wet cloth around your stomach 2 hours after your dinner. You can do this for 15 to 30 minutes. This will help to relieve your digestion issues, cool your stomach and get a good sleep. You need to switch off your mind to get a good sleep. Let your thinking process slow down by the evening. Listen to some soothing music that is very relaxing or take a shower 1 hour prior to bed. Have you seen how a baby sleeps after a bath? Read a book or meditate. If after 15 to 30 minutes of tossing and turning you are unable to sleep, get out of bed and try to do something relaxing. Breathing exercises can help you relax and sleep. Left nostril breathing. For this, you simply close the right nostril with your right thumb and inhale and exhale gently from the left nostril. It will help you cool down and help you get a good sleep. Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing. 4-7-8 breathing, in which you inhale for the count of 4, hold for the count of 7 and exhale for the count of 8. Even when you wake up in the middle of the night and find it difficult to fall asleep again, you can try these breathing exercises. They will surely relax you and put you to sleep. Make your room cool. When you are trying to sleep, your body wants to lower the body temperature. If your room is cooler, it will make it that much easier to fall asleep. Decrease amount of blue light exposure towards the evening. Be it iPad, laptop, phone, all of it hurts your melatonin and makes it difficult for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. Get your last caffeine dose nothing later than 4 p.m. Its effects last for more than 6 hours. So, you definitely don't want to have it later in the evening if you're having difficulty going to sleep. Dim your lights by late evening. Bright lights decreases the melatonin hormone, which will make it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. Make sure your room is pitch black. Slightest of light coming from any corner of the room may disturb your sleep. Good night sleep works like a magic tool to boost productivity, increase fat loss, and decrease the chance of you developing any disease. So, make the necessary changes to get your daily dose of good quality sleep. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you do it now so that you don't miss out on my future videos.